Got my hat on now. It's not because it's cold, it's because the bloody flies biting my head. Still all quiet. Had a few little taps on the rod. It's probably little stuff though. Just touching the bait and that. If it's a bigger fish, I'll know. It'll be a bend round. The rod will just bend round. The flask is shit. It's nearly cold already. But I've got me a couple of bottles of pop and a can of Coke. It's still drinkable anyway, the coffee is. I'll have it in the next hour or so. Yeah, it's alright actually. I'm enjoying it anyway. It's nice, lovely and peaceful. Miss you loads. See you later. Hopefully I'll send you a photo of anything I catch. I better catch something, but I wouldn't bank on it. Love you lots. Bye.